Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I get the following one display notification while I try to access my Windows 10 Accent Center, and it shows optimal resolution notification. The optimal resolution is 5120x2880. Select this notification for more information. And this notification is every time occurs when I try to access the Windows 10 Accent Center. So anyway, how to disable it? So let's go to our tutorial. So very simple method is just press Windows key and then select this gear icon, and this will help you to access your Windows settings menu. And my settings are ready to use. So here you can go to system settings. So now in this section in left side it shows the all system related settings category. So here you can go to notifications and accents and the third one, and slightly scroll down. So if you want to customize your Windows 10 notifications, just use this section. So otherwise, if you like to disable all the apps related notifications, just click to turn off this option, get notifications from apps and other centers. So if you turn off this option, in future you won't get any display or other app related notifications in your Accent Center. So anyway, for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.